Hello, this is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Service Management Leadership. Today's video is the 8th in our series on ITIL service strategy. And I wanted to talk about, in this video, demand management roles. This is our third video in a row or consecutive that is on demand management. And this series is adapted from BMC, the ITSM tool manufacturer. And within demand management, everybody looks for roles. But the owners of demand management are really your business relationship managers. They are the ones that are out in the business understanding those patterns of business activity, user profiles, and then feeding them into our process so that we can design them. And so BRM, Business Relationship Management, creates and grows the connection between the customer and the service provider, which is IT. And so demand management relies on this connection to feed your IT service management organization for your service design so everything can be built the way the customer wants it to be built. This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. Please like or share the video, subscribe to our channel, leave me feedback below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, down below in the description, I'll have a link to the playlist with the rest of the videos on this topic and this series. And feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm easy to spot there with the name like Jeffrey T. Fertiller. I hope you have a great day. Bye.